Alright, here it comes. That totally killed it. That totally killed it. Didn't get any worse. And once I started burping, it was diminishing.
After the judge dismissed her $5 million bond, returned her passports,
that's it. That's how you stop a brain freeze.
Senate Majority Leader Harry Reid says the Republican-led House is simply postponing the inevitable by voting today to cripple President Obama's health care law. The provision included in a bill the House passed to prevent a government shutdown a week and a half from now. Democratic-led Senate has promised to strip the health care provision from the bill next week and challenge the House to pass a simple, straightforward funding bill. I'm Tom Hewell, KNX 1070 News Radio.
KNX Business Hour continues. This portion of the news sponsored by Freeway Honda in the Santa Ana Auto Mall. The Dow coming in for a closing loss in triple digits today, down 185
That's
points.
totally working.
End the week at 15,451. A two-day slide taking both the Dow
Today is
from all-time highs.
September 20th, 2013. Happens to be Terry and I's birthday. Alright, so you can now eat anything cold like you want. Stuff in your face. And when you feel that brain freeze coming on, all you gotta do is burp on demand. brain freeze test. Rode my bike, got a little hot, a little sweaty, and now we're going to try to induce a brain freeze. Stops it in its tracks. I proved it again, that a brain freeze can be stopped by simply burping on cue. I'm chowing this down. Can't get a big one out because that's, you know, it's wow. Kills it instantly. Problem solved. Since the beginning of ice days. Beginning of ice. Should I say since man discovered ice? It's time to make a campaign against brain freeze. Oh, it's in my nose. The brain freeze, you know, you feel it coming out. It was on this side of my nostrils. There you go. Done. Control the brain freeze. Challenging everybody and anyone. I don't know, some kind of brain freeze contest. Brain freeze, brain freeze, brain freeze. Alright, let's get out of here.